8 divided by 4 over 3 times 6. 3 into here 1, 3 into 6, 2. Then we have 8 divided by 4 times 2. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operation, we have to solve division first before solving multiplication, which is we have to solve 8 divided by 4 over 3 first. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve 8 divided by 4 over 3 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 8, change division to multiplication, then flip 4 over 3 to 3 over 4, then multiply by 6. Then let us simplify. 4 into 8, 2. Then we are left with 2 times 3 times 6. Now we are going to work from our left to our right. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then we have 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is equals to 36. 36 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.